Hi, I'm George. Today we'll be demonstrating AMT's 10.1-inch touch display demo unit. This display unit is based on a 10.1-inch AMT PCAP touch panel paired with a pen mount PM2351 COFF-tail controller. The unit has an anti-UV design which conforms to the ASTM G154 standard Cycle 1 for 1,000 hours. The cover lens of this AMT touch display demo unit is proprietary AMT photoreal decor glass. Our exclusive printing process can create photorealistic quality color gradients and passes AMT's own adhesion, environment, and UV testing. The AMT touch display demo unit uses 1.8mm chemically strengthened cover glass. It can pass IK8 testing standards and withstand a 100cm 500g steel ball drop test. If you require even higher impact resistance standards, we can provide additional options to satisfy your needs. We have set up 5 virtual keys at the bottom of the touch panel. We have a function key, brightness up, down, and volume up, down. These keys are a part of the design of the PCAP touch panel's active area and also support water handling, noise immunity, and other advanced functions. We set the function key to open a web page beforehand, so it performs that action when you press it. We also provide a utility called Pen Mount Virtual Key Tools, which users can use to change virtual key settings on the fly. The AMT Touch Display Demo Unit features no false touch when wet reliability. Now, there's no water on the touch panel surface and we can operate the panel normally. We then spray water onto the touch panel. No false touch signals are generated from the wet areas, and dry areas function normally. After the panel is dried, touch functionality returns automatically. The AMT Touch Display Unit supports gloved operation, as many industrial environments require operators wear a number of different types of work gloves. As you can see, gloved operation is smooth and reliable. For your convenience, we also provide pen mount PCI utility, so you can adjust firmware parameters and functions on-site without having to send your systems back to us. Pen mount PCAP touch solutions always provide a combination of comprehensive functionality that you can count on. Thank you for watching.